Here's my assistant Evelyn, and we're back in the kitchen, and we're going to make a fun snack that combines some of your practical life skills. Spreading and rolling and pinch or grasp. So we've got tiny little ice cream cones. You can use any size you have. This is the size we have. We've got some peanut butter and we've got some Cheerios. So you could also use any type of cereal you have or anything sticky. So Evelyn, will you get some peanut butter out of the jar?
And put what?
We're going to spread it onto our ice cream cone.
Only on the bottom?
All around the sides, because we're going to make a fun treat. Yeah. We make something.
Do this.
You can do that. It's a good idea, actually. Then it doesn't get on your finger as much. So spreading is a great practical life practice. Taste testing. So once you've got your cone all covered like this, I'm going to take it in the Cheerios and I'm going to kind of roll it around. Look at that. I get Cheerios all around. Or you can pick them up and put them on. Okay? And the best part is when you're done, you have a delicious snack. Right, Evelyn?
Right.
Okay.
Is it all done?
You keep going. Once you've got your peanut butter on, you can roll it in the Cheerios or you can put them on one by one. What are you going to choose?
Roll it.
She's going to roll it. Let's watch.
What? Turn it over. What? Because I was talking. You're waiting for me.
Can you roll your cone in the Cheerios now? Show me how you roll it.
Oh.
Let's see how it looks, Evelyn. Yummy!